Feeling overwhelmed with ideas? Let AI handle the heavy lifting with these top mind mapping tools. First up, MindMeister. It's perfect for teams and individuals with its AI-powered mind mapping, real-time collaboration, and sleek interface. Then there's Xmind, ideal for professionals and students featuring multiple styles, AI assistants, and Gantt charts. Coggle is great for beginners, offering real-time collaboration and an easy drag-and-drop interface. MindMup integrates seamlessly with Google Drive and lets you map without login hassles. Next, AOA combines AI mind mapping with task management for the ultimate productivity boost. Scapple, while AI-free, shines with customizable layouts for writers. Whimsical is a designer's dream with smart mind mapping and collaborative tools. Lastly, EdrawMind offers advanced features and multiple export formats for the pros. Need AI to convert text to mind maps? Go for MindMeister, AOA, or EdrawMind. Ready to make your choice?